Part 4. The olive leaf sign. Genesis chapter 8 verse 10 to 12. Sometimes, na small sign go show say your miracle don dey near. 7 days later, Noah sent the dove again, and this time e return with fresh olive leaf for mouth. That small leaf means say land don dey close. Hope don enter ark that day. My people, sometimes God go give you small sign say your miracle dey near. Hold am tight and keep waiting till e finish the work. Question time. Number 1. What did the dove bring back to Noah? A twig. B, an olive leaf. C, a flower. D, a feather. Correct answer, B, an olive leaf. 2. What did the olive leaf mean? A, flood getting worse. B, land was near. C, animals leaving ark. D, ark sinking. Correct answer, B, land was near. 3. How many days did Noah wait before sending the dove again? A, 3 days. B, 7 days. C, 14 days. D, 21 days. Correct answer, B, 7 days.